Hello, coin engineers, and welcome to another live stream. Today we have huge news. The Bitcoin spot ETF. Did the Bitcoin spot ETF got approved or not? It's apparently fake news, but we'll talk about that in the future. If the spot ETF gets approved, what will happen? So Barish and John are with me today. How are you guys?
Very good. How are you?
Fine, all fine. But the fake news got me bored a little bit, but we'll see how the market will react. And we will talk about the technical situation of Bitcoin at the moment. You can see on the chart that Bitcoin is still on a sideways trend. The $25,000 is our support line, and $31,000, nearly $32,000. This is the big resistance of ours. Now, what will happen next is we are still waiting for the Bitcoin to break one of those levels, but I'm waiting that Bitcoin will break the $32,000 resistance and start going up to 42 and $48,000. Like between those levels is my next target on Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin will reach those levels, when it reaches those levels, probably there will be a pullback, there will be a correction on the price back to $25,000 and $32,000 level, these levels. And after that, it will wait for the Fed to loosen up the monetary policy. You know, guys, the strict monetary policy. The US is still, let me show you before I talk about it. The US is still burning those dollars, the dollars that they've been sending to the markets lately, last 2 years. Also, guys, one of your microphones like sending my voice back to me.
All right. Sorry.
Test. Yes, it's good now. Sorry, guys, if you like had an unpleasant moment, but the technical issues are there for the results, right? So like they've been burning like nearly $2 trillion. It's almost $1 trillion now, and they will continue burning those dollars, getting them back from the market, getting them back from real life, and this is hurting the U.S. economy. This is slowing down the economic growth, and also we can see that the banks going bankrupt, and firms, also small businesses, are having lots of problems, and that and the US is getting lots of debt because of the interest rates. When they raise their interest rates, you know, guys, the US government has also its own debts, and we talked about the debt ceiling problem at the latest live stream. You can remember that, and those interests are getting higher and higher, and those high levels of interest cannot be paid by the US government if they don't get more debts, and like they are piling up their debts, and this is hurting both the economy and the government. So when the time comes, they will have to just drop the interest rates again, and this is the time that the true bull run, like we had in back in 2017, back in 2021, we will just live one more bull run. And this is what I think. What you guys think? Barish, John?
So, would you like to start, John? John, can you hear me?
You can go. You can go.
Okay. So first of all, I wanna talk about the fake news. Okay, before we start
Yeah.
the Bitcoin's price prediction. So I think the market is really quiet right now, and the news flow is very slow at this time. That's why many people are bored. Um, I would like to say that some people are purposely spreading the fake news. So this news is published by Cointelegraph, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, that's
But
correct.
yeah, but it's not really trustworthy. Honestly, I expect the approval for ETFs to happen suddenly. I think we all think the same thing, but before the approval of ETFs, the price is gonna go down. This is my opinion. So my guess is around like 22K for that, and after that, I feel like the market is going to go up. You kind of see that right now, and we all notice the new trends like social fee projects. And I can say that at this point, people, including my friends, actually my friends, my family, and who are interested to cryptocurrency, are getting bored, getting tired. And I hear many people are planning to leave the market at this time. But this could be actually a good sign for the cryptocurrency. That's why people are getting excited about the new trends. We all want to invest our money to something, but we can't find any projects, any trustworthy projects right now. That's my opinion. Actually, I've been waiting for 2022K for a long time, but it looks like the price is stuck between 20K, 22K, and 27K.
Like it
And
definitely is, but
not going anywhere. It's still there. It's still
like
same.
that's the bad part of the bear market. Like low volumes, there's no money coming into markets. The central banks are burning those money. Like even the stock markets can't get new money. Like we have been anticipating like new QEs from Japan and China lately, but like they told they're not gonna do a QE. They're not gonna print any more money. Just they'll make more government spending to boost the economy. They are trying to boost the economy, but all the world,
Exactly.
like every country in the world, nearly every country in the world are right now burning those monies. They are not no QEs. Like when they start, this is the like I said, the start of the next bull run. But before that happens, just like the US is doing now, the stock market and all the markets, especially the bond market. But we will talk about the bond market also. We are not gonna go anywhere. Like let's say we are not gonna go any new top. Yeah, that will be the correct. Like we gonna go $42,000 in my opinion. Like because that target is when you check the Fibonacci charts and all those stuff. Like when you compare this bear market with the other bear markets that happened in cryptocurrencies, you can see that the $42,000 is not a big target to have. Like even the $48,000 is possible, but beyond that, beyond $50,000, I'm not waiting for that levels, especially like before the second half of 2024. In 2024, when the Fed starts talking about dropping the interest rates, the U.S. Treasury starts their government spendings, like spending money, lots of money to boost the economy. That's when we will see the new QEs and stuff. But before that, like I said, and countless times, I'm not anticipating something big. So like some altcoins, if they have good news, we will see like enormous movements, just like Link did back in like 2 bull runs ago. Like it was 2019 or something. Like when the bear market was really harsh, Link did nearly 10x. Like we will see some projects doing that, but Bitcoin and other like blue chip cryptocurrencies, they'll stay where they are.
So do you think it's gonna go down under 22K?
Like I'm not anticipating those levels again. Below 20K, never. If like something like COVID happens again, those levels might come, but in case there's no like black swan events coming in, I'm not waiting for those levels. Only like if Binance goes bankrupt or something, that's the only possibility.
Yeah, we need a big news.
Definitely. So, John, what are you anticipating, and what do you think about those news?
I think you guys said the best things that I also agree with you guys, so I don't actually have anything to add. I totally agree with you guys.
But
So what's your prediction? I think he can't hear us right now.
Yeah, probably he's busy with like the video.
Yeah.
So never stop, just work, never stop. As you guys can see, like even on the live stream, we are trying to publish new videos for you guys, and John is doing that at the moment. Like if you look at the altcoin market, Barish knows a lot better about the altcoin market than me probably at latest times. Which projects are you looking for? Like,
I'm looking for I'm doing my research on social fee projects right now, and also AI projects. Would you like me to share the names of the projects?
yeah, you can share
I have to
if you
check my
trust those
phone.
projects. Yeah, if
I
you
have to check
trust those
my phone.
projects. Like there was Stars
Pet
Arena.
was one of these projects. Like, sorry for interrupt.
Yeah, no problem. I interrupted you. Like there was a project, social fi project called Stars Arena on Avalanche, and like I bought some of the shares of people, and like it made a it returned a good profit to me. Like I don't really recall like how much, but it was more than 3x, and like it was good. But personally, I'm not expecting like big hypes coming again on social fi unless the next bull run starts. Like they went on live, they went live, and people loved it. But unfortunately, like it's not that bull run on social files will not gonna last until the new money, the hot money starts coming into cryptocurrencies. And we have a question. Like, is the BTC ETF approval legit? Unfortunately, it's not. The Cointelegraph shared like news. The iShares spot ETF has been approved, but it's just a rumor. The iShares owner, like the BlackRock CEO, just said that it's not like legit. And also, like Cointelegraph said that their Twitter account has been hacked, and that's why we are upset at the moment. Probably, like if you look at the stock, like cryptocurrency exchanges, futures trades, just before the like news got published, there should be a big long order, right? There should be a big long position. If they didn't split up those positions into like smaller ones, probably they did if they are clever enough. But probably you can find somehow like who did it and how did they do it. You're welcome, Heavy T.
So actually, I invested in Ocean Fat, as I said before. Ocean Fat and NMR. I put some money on these projects, in these projects, and I believe that what I'm gonna say is artificial intelligence projects will kick off the bull run after the Bitcoin halving. I think this is a new hype, and I don't even see projects like AVAX or Solana hitting their all-time highs. I don't believe that these projects will gonna be popular again.
Like
Okay.
in my opinion, like they are popular at the moment, and they will be popular again in the next bull run. But there are many more new projects, just like Aptos, Sui, and the others. I'm not expecting Sui to overperform Aptos since like Aptos was the first one, and in my
Exactly.
opinion, like the management and the technology is way better than Sui. So I have lots of Aptos at the moment. I got the airdrop. I sold them at a good price, and then when Aptos go down, it's still below $5, I believe. I don't know if it broke up to $5, but I bought lots of Aptos when it was below $5 from $4 levels. Injective is a good project, and I like it. I still couldn't find a good entry position for that, so I'm not carrying too much Injective like with me at the moment, but I will buy more. The Mina, like I love Mina, and it's the technology itself, the only 20 something kilobytes of blockchain, like it's smooth and safe, and like arbitrary. And also with Mina you can gain like some interest when you send it to the Mina's wallet, and like choose a validator for yourself. When you validate those Minas to a validator, like you gain lots of interest, and you just keep gaining more Minas. And that's what I like about that project. the XVS, the Venus project, which is working on Binance Smart Chain, it's like a lending protocol, and I would like to buy more XVS before the next bull run starts. Like at the latest bull run at 2021, it nearly made like more than 50x. Like I can't really recall, but it made me good money. It had a good return. The DYDX itself, like it's a whole new project. Like it's an old project. It's not a new one, but it's really good about you don't have to trade futures on centralized exchanges anymore. Like DYDX itself is a decentralized exchange. It has a decentralized government. It works on Ethereum and like nearly most of the EVM networks you can like imagine. They will just keep expanding, in my opinion. And also the Arbitrum itself, the ARB token and OP token, those are the ones I love, but probably the ZK Sync, Starknet, and like what are the other one? Base, those layer 2 networks are coming into. So when they make an airdrop, if I don't like the amount of tokens that I got, probably I can sell some ARB and OP to buy more of those tokens, because I believe in the next bull run, the layer 2 networks will be more and more important, because you guys can remember back in 2021 and 22, Ethereum mainnet had a huge traffic. Like it's just like a traffic jam in New York City, right? Everybody tries to get their orders approved, but you have to pay $20, $30 to the miners to get your orders approved. Like layer 2s are the solution for this. They are taking those orders to a new channel, and they are getting those orders approved at that channel, and they send it back into the mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, and that's the best part of them. So those were the projects that I'm watching at the moment, and probably if there are new like projects like Render and Synthetic, which is like making a collaboration with Layer 0 technology, which is a like huge technology, and probably you already use those bridges between the networks, and I'm looking for the new projects about it. And we have new questions. Do you guys have a Solana prediction for this bull run? What do you think, guys? Like, where will Solana hit? Barış, Can?
It's been a long time actually. I sold my coins when it was around like $15. I'm an old investor, but I don't have any Solana right now, so I'm not following anymore. But if you guys say it,
like we can see that in the short term, Solana broke its downtrend and tries to make a new, like, tries to create an uptrend at the moment. We can see that those levels, those touches to the ground, but it's currently in a resistance level, which starts here like $25. If it breaks the $25, like probably it can break. If Bitcoin breaks $32,000, it will go up. And in the long term, if we look at the chart at weekly graphics, the minimum level that Solana hit at the bull run, I anticipate that will be $130 or something. But like if the projects on Solana gets more and more hype, especially the NFTs, the latest bull run, Solana went that up because of thanks to the NFTs, and if the NFTs do well, maybe $160, $180, those levels. But I'm not anticipating like Barış. I'm not seeing Solana breaking the $260.
yeah, it's impossible. Right now, it has around like 10 billion, actually 9,600,000,000 market cap. Yeah. but it was like 2 years ago, not now. As you said before we start the conversation, right now there are many projects, so you have many options to invest in. So nobody's gonna buy Solana anymore. I believe that it's gonna maybe hit like $150 in the peak season, like the middle of the bull run, but it's never gonna be happen. Like 250 is no way.
Of course, like there are no impossibilities on cryptocurrency market.
Exactly.
Like,
Yeah, that's the point actually.
yeah,
I was gonna say about
Cadena is one of the great projects, but like it's working on like proof of work concept, I believe, and in the next bull run, the proof of work, like I'm not seeing the proof of work concept going anywhere. Like, but Bitcoin, like proof of work is a good and solid solution, especially for Bitcoin. But you know those like hypes for the green energy and those stuff like that, and they won't they won't be having the proof of work concept with cryptocurrencies in like high levels. That's just my opinion. But you can never say never. Like for cryptocurrencies, like there are endless possibilities on the sector. So only time will tell what we're gonna see. And if you guys have something to add, something to say, you can say now. It's been already like 21 minutes. We're going for the 22. If you have something to add, you can add now, or else let's end the live stream.
Basically, there is no point of chasing the old projects. Anybody who are watching this right now, they should focus on the new projects that will come on the bull run. So
just
don't
follow the
focus
hype,
on
follow the
Solana,
games,
don't
yeah.
focus on AVAX or whatever. Just follow the hype, as Barry said.
Yeah, I'm agree with you. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah.
All
So
right,
if that's all,
Yeah.
thank you guys for watching until the end. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you like this live stream. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the next live streams and like priceless videos where we share our secrets and like projects that we are investing in. Thank you so much. Let's see
See
in
you
another
guys. See you
video.
next time.